Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Philip Hall, and I'm the Unit Director of the Robert and Joan Lee Boys and Girls Clubs. Thank you for joining us today. We are here at the club, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our Project Learn program that you have so graciously helped us fund. Project Learn program enables our staff to provide tutoring services to children who are not necessarily failing, but falling behind in specific subject areas, whether it be math, science, history, social studies. These students are in our homework room, and our homework room staff identifies them as needing more assistance. So they are transferred to the Project Learn program, which is a smaller, more controlled setting where the staff is able to put the kids on a more personal level to help them get back to grade level. The whole goal is to catch the kids that are falling behind before they fall behind a whole grade level, or 2 or 3 at sometimes. We have children that come in, are in the 5th grade and reading at a 3rd grade level. So using our Project Learn staff and program, we're able to speed up the progress rate to get them back to grade level as quickly as possible. Now, it's not a magic bullet, but there's a lot of families that don't have the time or the resources to provide tutoring for their children, and we provide it here free of cost thanks to you guys and many other great community organizations that help support us. So we want to thank you for supporting the Boys and Girls Clubs. Our mission is always to provide the quality services for the members of our community at a low, reasonable price. We never turn kids away for financial reasons, and we're here for the kids. So thank you, Venice Golf and Country Club Foundation, for your support, and we hope to see you again next year. I know just recently we had a young lady come in, and she had been doing very well in school, but her parents' financial situation has changed, so they were no longer able to afford the school she was going to. So she's now in a larger public school where she doesn't get the attention she needs, and her grades are drastically slipping. But through talking with us, we introduced them to the Project Learn program, and we're able to get her in that program to ensure that she doesn't fall behind. So it's not always about catching up. It's about providing a service for the community to ensure that kids stay on track. If they lose a support system outside of their family and school, we're here to help pick up the pieces. I can give you the address, and it's 920 Gulf Coast Boulevard. We're tucked away back here in a neighborhood across from Mi Pueblo. We share a facility with the Special Olympics on county land. We're always open for visitors. People can come by. We love showing people around. No need to call. We like to show it as it is. We don't do dog and pony show here. We let you come in and see the kids and see it for what it is. It's a great program. We're open. We accept children from age 5 to 18. We have 17 staff on the books. We currently average about 175 kids for the school year. We just closed out our summer program where we had 481 students enrolled. So the program is always growing, and with that there's always a growing need for educational support outside of the school system.